I just wet the wig and it went back into its natural state without, because you know, I did use the comb, a wide tooth comb. I used the wide tooth comb and I fluffed it out. And then right here, I put water on it and drenched it, and it went back to its natural state. So this is what the wig looks like fresh, like when it was out the box. You could rock it this way or you could fluff it out, whichever way. I like both ways because this looks really good too, like when it's like this, because if some people, if you don't want it be too big, you could be like this. And so this looks really good. So I know people like to see options that you could do with your hair. So you saw me when I fluffed out the wig, and you see when it's just wearing it natural, you know, when you put water in, and this is how it looks. It went back down to the state that it was in when I opened out the box. So if you don't want to wear the hair fluffed out, you can do this option. And if you don't want to wear it too big, and you could do this. So you could basically have 3 wigs and one, 2 wigs and one. So you could wear it big and poofy, or you could wear it like this. And this is very pretty. So look at the curls, okay? That looks really good. Really good. I just drenched it back in water, and it went to this. So this is very beautiful. No shedding. And as you can see, the curls, my fingers are going through it. It looks so beautiful. So if you don't want to wear it big and poofy, you can wear it like this and rock it this way. So I know a lot of people like to see options. What can you do to hair? So after I just drenched it, and I know people want to say, can you put foaming lotion? Will the foaming lotion mess up the hair? Is it real? So people like to see options. So I'm going to give it to you. So you saw me poof up the hair. You saw me drench the hair. So this hair is gorgeous. You could do lots of options. Or, you know, people use the dimming brush. You know, what it looks like when you do it that way. So when you spend your money on hair, you want to see what can I do with my wig. You know, do so many options. And this, you know, you don't even have to put, but you saw what the hair looks like without product in it. But I know some people, I just want to see what the hair looks like when you add product in it. That's what, you know. So this is what it looks like when you put the product in it. Okay, so this side I just drenched with water, no product right here, and I just used the blow dryer. And this side I put a lot of body. This side I put a lot of body, and I used the blow dryer. So this is some gorgeous hair. So you can do a lot of things with this hair, like whatever is your preference. Good, just throwing it out the box, putting it on. You want to play with it some, want to put some products in it. It looks good either way, any way you want to do it. So I just want to show you guys options, just in case, you know, if you didn't want to comb it out and wear it big, you could wear it how it is out the box and it looks gorgeous. This is some gorgeous hair, and this is up close with the product in it, and this is up close with no product, just water, and I didn't use the brush or anything. So yeah, this is some gorgeous hair. Like, it really is gorgeous. You know, just playing with it. You know, it was really cute. I love it either way. You comb it out, don't comb it out, wear it its natural state like this. You got options. What you want to do? You know, you want to do the space in the between and the bang like that, or you want to wear it like this. You got options with this wig. Like, it's very beautiful.